Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to place this new RAM into this laptop. So let's get right into it. Alright, the first step you want to do is you want to shut down your computer. So not just put it on sleep or close the screen, you just shut it down and then all should be good. Right, and then the next step is you turn it over to the back side because that's where you're going to be installing your RAM. And you're going to be needing some tools for this. So first off, you need a screwdriver. Depending on the screws you have on the back of your laptop, it might just be like a normal star screwdriver, or it can be a Torx bit. Then you just need to source that yourself. And then you would also need some sort of prying tool just to pry open the bezel without breaking any tabs. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take out all these screws from your laptop. But the important part is that you put them aside and remember where you put which one. The length of these screws differ from the location, so just be wary of that, because if you install the incorrect screw in the wrong position, then you might screw up your laptop, go through the motherboard, something like that. So just be mindful of that and keep that in mind. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take out all these screws from the laptop and putting them aside. Alright, so after you've removed all of these screws, you just want to take your prying tool and then just very gently and carefully pry open the back panel. So I normally come to just one corner. What I normally do is I just stick it in between the bezel and the body, and then I just turn it to just separate the tabs. So just like this, and you just do this all around, and then the tabs should just all come off. Alright, so then you want to put this aside. And now you should have your laptop open like this. So then all you need to do is locate where your RAM is installed, and there's two tabs on this side, so you pull that away from the RAM stick and then it should pop up, and then you can just gently pull that out. Alright, so then you just take your new stick of RAM, you obviously open it, get rid of all of that. Okay, so once you have your new stick of RAM, you just want to line up the notch on the motherboard slot with the notch in your RAM stick. So just like this, you'll line it up, and then at an angle you'll just gently put it in all the way, so just like that. So all the contact pins on the RAM stick, so let me show you. So all of these contact pins, once you've inserted it, it shouldn't be visible anymore. So just easily like that. You just slide it in like that until it's in all the way firmly. You don't have to press on it too hard. Just with two fingers you push it in, and then you literally just take the corners and press it down towards the motherboard, and then you should hear a click, and then it is all installed. Alright, so after you've installed your RAM and made sure that it is securely in place, so just after those two clicks it should then securely be in, then you just take the back panel again, properly line it up above the screw holes, and then all you want to do is literally just take your fingers and all around the edge of the laptop you just press it down to just click in all the tabs. So just press down all the way around until you hear those clicks. There you go. So you just want to do that right around to make sure all the tabs are in. Alright, and after you've done that, just make sure all the way around that it did snap in everywhere. And then you just want to take your screws again and put them just back in the same position as they came out in. Alright, and after you've fastened all the screws, you can just go over once more just to make sure everyone is securely fastened. And then you can basically turn on your laptop and you should have your new RAM installed. So all you can do is you can turn on your computer, then go into Task Manager. So how you do it is you just press Control, Shift and Escape at the same time. It brings up Task Manager, and then from there you might need to click on More Details, but then you can just go to the Performance tab, and then the second one should be your RAM, and then you can just verify that you have all of your RAM is picking up. If you install 2 RAM sticks, and then you're good to go. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. And also check down below, I have new merch. And yeah, that's all from me for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, bye bye.